Welcome to my channel. If you're a gamer looking to get the best performance out of your Windows 10 PC, game mode can help. In this video, I'll show you how to enable game mode, explain what it does, and give you a few tips to enhance your gaming experience. Let's get started. To begin, open the Windows settings by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This shortcut quickly brings up the settings window, where you can access various system configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the gaming option and click on it. In the gaming menu, click on game mode in the left-hand panel. Here, you will see a toggle switch for game mode. Simply turn it on to allow Windows to optimize your system for gaming. Game mode is designed to improve gaming performance by reducing background tasks, preventing Windows updates from interrupting gameplay, and allocating more central processing unit and graphics processing unit resources to your game. While the improvements may not always be dramatic, they can be helpful for lower-end systems or when running demanding games. And that's how you enable game mode on Windows 10. While it's a useful feature, combining it with other optimizations can further enhance your gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.